Hi everyone, today we are going to do factorizing. So factorizing is really similar to the bow method I mentioned before, but in case you don't remember, let's quickly revise that. So highest common factor, okay? So if you got 24 and 36, we can do a bow method. If you don't remember what that is, here you go, draw like a boat, okay? So 24 and 36, is there any number that they can both divide by? Well, let's say 6, yeah, they can both divide by 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. 36 divided by 6 is 6, okay? Well, those two both are even number, so they can both divide by 2. So let's divide by 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, so the highest common factor here is the number on the side times together. So it will be 6 times 2, which is 12, okay? Then we can use a bow method to quickly find the highest common factor. Today, we are going to use the bow method to do factorizing, okay? So factorizing basically is a something times in a bracket, something plus something, okay? It can be something minus something, okay? So something like that, yeah? So let's have a look on the left hand side. So we can do bow method on all those questions, okay? So let's do the first one first. So 2y plus 6. So one is 2, one is 6. Any number they can both divide by? Yep, that's right, 2. So let's divide them both by 2. So 2y divided by 2 is y. Okay, plus is remain plus. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Okay, so they can't divide by the same number anymore, so we put a bracket around it and put the number down as 2. So we just finished our factorization. So 2y plus 3. Okay. All right, give you another example. 3x plus 6. Okay, so 3 and 6, which one they have? What number they can both divide by? 3. Okay, so 3x divided by 3 is x. Plus is plus. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So they can't divide by the same number anymore, so put a bracket around it and put a number down, and that's, here you go, 3x plus 2. Okay, the next two is slightly harder. Let's go through them. 6 plus 4p, okay? 6 and 4, which number they can both divide by? 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, plus is plus, 4 divided by 2 is 2, p is still there. They can't divide by the same number anymore, so put a bracket around it and put the 2 down. So 2, 3 plus 2p. Easy. The last one, you got 10 plus 6g. Make sure you draw the boat. So 10 and 6 to both even numbers, so they can divide by 2. So that will be 5, plus is plus, 6 divided by 2 is 3, g. Can't divide by the same number anymore, so that's it. So you got 2, 5 plus 3g. That's the final answer. You don't need to do anything to it. As long as they can't the number in the middle of the bracket can't divide by the same number anymore, then you're done. Okay. So I have a few questions for you to do. Give it a go. Once you're done, you can check the answer. Okay. Ready? Go. I think they're correct. If they're not correct, just leave it in a comment. Okay, I will change it later. Okay. Let's move on to something slightly different. Now, the common factor can be a numeral as well, can be a letter. So let's say the first one, ax plus 2x. Okay, so if we, in these cases, when they have the same letter, let's bring out the letter first. So you got both have an x, so let's bring the x out. So remove the x, you only have a left, plus is plus. Remove the x, you only have 2 left. So that's it. Okay, so you can't divide by the same number anymore, so put a bracket around it and bring the x down. So your answer will be x, a plus 2. Simple. I'm pretty sure you can do the next one, yeah? So they both have a y, take the y out, so you only have x plus 5 left. Okay, Now you bring the y down, and there you go. X plus 5. Simple. Now this 2 is slightly weird because y squared is basically is y times y, yeah, plus 2y. Now they both have a y, so you take the y out, then you got y plus 2. Put a bracket around it, bring the y down, that's it. Okay. The last one, m squared plus m. You know m squared is m times m, so they both have an m. So you take an m out, you got m here. Plus m divided by m is 1, okay? You should know that. And m on the front, so we got m plus 1. Easy. Okay, do those ones. They should be quite straightforward, okay? Once you're done, here's the answer, okay? Make sure you check it. You can pause the video and check, don't need to wait, okay? Let's move on. Now, not all the time we got those easy questions. Sometimes we have something like this, okay? So we can both simplify, factorize the letter and the number. What you do is you do letter first. Always do letter first. It's just quicker, okay? So both of them have an x, so we take the x out. So we got 5 plus 10y left. Now we need to do another step. Because 5 and 10, they can both divide by 5. So we take 5 here. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Plus is plus. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Y doesn't change, so can't divide by the same number anymore. Put a bracket around it. Now, the interesting part here is these 2 times together, they become 5x, okay? And you're done. 5x, 1 plus 2y, okay? Next one similar, 4m plus 8mn. Both have an m. Take the m out. You got 4 plus 8n. Now, 4 and 8, they can both divide by 4. So you got 1 plus 2n left. And times these 2, you got 4m. And so it's 4m, 1 plus 2n. Okay? Now, the next 2 is similar to what we did before. You just have a square there. So 5x squared minus 10xy. So both have an x, so we take an x out. So 5x minus 10y, okay? Now, 5 and 10, they can both divide by the same number, which is 5. So we got x minus 10 divided by 5 is 2y, okay? Y remain the same along the whole way, okay? If you can't divide by the same number or letter anymore, put a bracket around it, times the side. So 5 times x is 5x. You got 5x, x minus 2y, okay? Same with the last one. Math, I'll just do it. 8m and 9mn plus 6m squared, okay? Now, both have an m, we take the m out. You got 9n plus 6m, okay? Now, 9 and 6, they can both divide by 3, okay? So 9 divided by 3 is 3, so n still remain the same, plus is plus. 6 divided by 3 is 2, and remain the same. So you can't divide the same number or letter anymore. Put a bracket around it. 3 times m is 3m. You got 3m, 3n plus 2m. Okay. I'm going to give this question to so question 5 for you to do as homework. And then I have a challenge homework too. Question 6 here. Question 6 is could be potentially basically the same. I do m here, okay? So 5x squared plus minus 10x plus 15xy, okay? So let's see. They all have an x, so we take the x out. So you got 5x minus 10 plus 15y, okay? Now they look like they are all multiple of 5, so we can divide by 5. So 5x divided by 5 is x, minus is minus, 10 divided by 5 is 2, plus is plus, 15 divided by 5 is 3, y is y, okay? So can't divide by the same number anymore, you put a bracket around it. 5 times x is 5x, so you got 5x, x minus 2 plus 3y, okay? Simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and make sure you turn on your notification for Google Classroom, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.